Imagine descending into the mysterious vast depths of the ocean, where sunlight fades and darkness prevails. The ocean is Earth's final frontier, home to creatures and ecosystems that remain largely unexplored. But thanks to the marvels of technology, we now have drones, state-of-the-art submersibles that are revolutionizing ocean exploration. In today's video, we'll be diving into the incredible world of underwater drones and their crucial role in unlocking the secrets of our planet's deep waters. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the ocean's mysteries. The deep sea covers more than 70% of Earth's surface, but we've explored only a fraction of it. Traditional methods of exploration, like manned submersibles, are limited in range and scope. This is where underwater drones come in. These unmanned vehicles allow us to venture deeper and farther, capturing high-resolution footage of the ocean floor, observing marine life in their natural habitats, and even mapping entire ecosystems. These drones are equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and sonars, enabling them to navigate dark, high-pressure environments where humans can't go. With some drones reaching depths of over 36,000 feet, far deeper than Mount Everest is tall, scientists are now able to collect data on underwater volcanoes, the behavior of deep-sea creatures, and even the impact of human activities on ocean ecosystems. The impact of these drones goes beyond just scientific curiosity. These robots have been instrumental in uncovering endangered species and tracking climate change effects, such as ocean acidification and rising sea temperatures. And they've even assisted in historical investigations, like locating and documenting shipwrecks from centuries ago, giving us a glimpse into our planet's past. But it's not just scientists who benefit. The advancement of drone technology has also sparked interest in ocean conservation efforts. With drones able to monitor remote areas of the ocean, we can now track illegal fishing activities, monitor coral reef health, and assess the impact of pollution, work that was once impossible due to the inaccessible nature of the ocean's depths. The future of underwater exploration is incredibly exciting, and drones are at the forefront of this revolution. As technology improves, we can expect even more profound discoveries and a deeper understanding of the ocean's complex ecosystems. Perhaps one day we'll uncover the mysteries of the deep, revealing unknown species, ancient treasures, and the secrets of Earth's most remote and hidden world. Thank you for joining me on this thrilling exploration into the ocean's depths. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of ocean exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world with Dr. John's amazing videos.